Good morning, students. Welcome to your online mathematics class. So as in the live class I had explained the concepts, so today we are starting with questions. So surface area and volumes, chapter 13, exercise 13.1. Question number 1. A plastic box 1.5 meter long, 1.25 meter wide and 65 centimeters. See the difference of dimensions. Here it is meter, and here it is centimeter. So you have to keep in mind. Deep is to made. It is to be open at the top. Ignoring the thickness of the plastic sheet, determine first part the area of the sheet required. Okay, it is in the area of the sheet required for making the box. Now see, it is already given to us. Length is given to us, breadth is given to us, okay, and height is given to us. Deep, your deep is your height. So what you have to be careful, students, see here solution. You have to be careful of dimensions. Okay, here it is centimeter, so unit has to be meter because length and breadth are already in meter, so height has to be in meter. So 1 meter is, okay, 1 meter is 100 centimeters. So obviously students, 65 centimeter will be 65 centimeter will be 0.65 meter. Okay, this is very basic, you should know this. Now another important thing, it is saying it has to be open at the top. Okay, so it has to be open at the top. So you have to remember lateral surface area of the cuboid. So lateral surface area of the cuboid is this, students. Okay, perimeter multiplied by height twice length plus breadth into height is lateral surface area of a cuboid. Keep this in mind. Or area of 4 walls. Okay, area of 4 walls. You have to keep this in mind. In some other questions it will be saying you have to get whitewash done, so area of 4 walls plus the ceiling. Okay, there we will use this. Or indirectly in other questions it will be asking like this. So lateral surface area, it will ask what is lateral surface area, so you should know twice length plus breadth into height. This is lateral surface area. Okay, or area of 4 walls plus, okay, plus length b. See, I have written here also, since the box is open at the top, it has only 5 faces. So what are those 5 faces? So 4 faces will be this by LSA. Okay, that is lateral surface area. Okay, and this is the base. Okay, because box is open at the top, so we don't have to calculate this. Okay, so it will be LB only, base, okay, of the box. Okay, like in the morning I had explained you carton. Okay, I had explained you this carton. Okay, it is saying it has to be open at the top. So L into B, what is the dimension of length? 1.5 meter, breadth is 1.25 meter square, plus twice B into H, 1.25 into H, 0.65 plus H into L, so 0.65 into 1.5. Solve this, students. Multiply, add, multiply by 2, okay, and then multiply this. So you will get this 1.875. So done the calculation, twice into 1.785. So 1.875 plus this is equal to 5.45 meter square. Hence 5.45 meter square of sheet is required, because question is saying the area of the sheet required. So how much area is what is the area required for the sheet? 5.45 meter square. Second part is saying if the cost of the sheet for it, if a sheet measuring 1 meter square cost rupees 20. Obviously students, if 1 meter square, okay, is costing rupees 20, so what will be the cost of 5.45? You have to multiply. So that is what I have done. So rupees 20 into 5.45, which is equal to rupees 109. Okay, just go through the calculations, and if anywhere you find that calculations are not correct or anything else is not clear, you can always get back to me, students. Okay, I hope you have followed this question. So I'll proceed with next question. Question number 2. The length, okay, the breadth and height of a room are given. Okay, 5 meter, 4 meter and 3 meter respectively. So this is LBH. Question is saying find the cost of whitewashing the walls of the room. Okay, it is clearly mentioned, students, whitewashing the walls of the room and ceiling. Everybody knows what is ceiling. Okay, you must be knowing ceiling fan. Okay, so this is where the ceiling fan is being kept. Okay, ceiling, okay, top and bottom. Okay, at the rate of rupees 7.5 per meter square. So there should be no difference, no confusion regarding ceiling, students. Okay, ceiling is the top, okay, top of a room, and nobody gets floor whitewashed. Do you get your floor whitewashed? No, you get the four walls. Okay, so what is four walls? In the previous question also I explained LSA, or area of four walls. Area of four walls. Okay, that is called as lateral surface area, which is twice length plus breadth into height. If you multiply this, you will get twice LH plus BH. Okay, so four walls will be this, plus it is saying and the ceiling. When you get the whitewashing done at your house, in your room, do you get your floor also whitewashed? Nobody gets floor whitewashed. Okay, it is the ceiling, that is top, that is I'm saying top. Okay, it is the top only you get whitewashed. So area of these four walls plus, okay, area of these four walls plus the ceiling, okay, that is a LB. Okay, so I've written here also surface area of the walls of the room and the ceiling. Okay, so that is being added plus LB. So this is your, what is this called as LSA, lateral surface area of cuboid, or area of four walls, plus L into B, length into breadth. So all the dimensions are given. What is the value of height? H is 3, so 2 into 3, what is length and breadth? 5 plus 4 plus 5 into 4. So 2 3s are 6, 5 plus 4 9, 6 into 9 plus 20, which is equal to 74 meters square. So now it is also saying the cost of the rate is 7.50, that is 7.50 per meter square. So what will be the total cost? So multiply by 74. So multiplied by 74. Okay, see here it is saying find the cost. Okay, cost of whitewashing the walls of the room and the ceiling at the rate of this. So rate is this, so rupees will be here, students. Okay, rupees 7.50, and this is your surface area. Okay, this is the surface area. Okay, this is your surface area. Okay, that is 74 meters square. So 74 into rupees 7.50 will give me 555. Okay, have you followed, students? Nothing difficult. Alright, so let's proceed with the next question. Question number 3. Okay, now see it is saying the floor of a rectangular hall has a perimeter. Okay, now see the rectangular hall and perimeter. So what is perimeter of a rectangle? Twice length plus breadth. From questions also you have to understand, student, what is the question asking. Okay, from question you will get hint. That is why I tell you, when you read maths question, read very slowly and try to understand what is the question asking. It is already saying floor of a rectangular hall has a perimeter. So what is perimeter of a rectangle? You studied in a previous class. Still I am repeating, twice length plus breadth. Okay, which is given to us 250 meter. If the cost of painting the four walls, see again it has come, four walls, at the rate of rupees 10 per meter square is rupees 15,000, find the height. Now see, question is saying you have to find the height of a hall. So hall, you everybody knows what is hall, so it will have length, breadth and height. So starting with perimeter, so perimeter is twice length plus breadth. Everybody knows perimeter of a rectangle is twice length plus breadth, which is equal to 250. And area of the four walls, see again it has come, so this is the third time I'm writing this, so don't get confused, don't forget. Area of the four walls twice length plus breadth into height. Okay, so also area of the four walls will be what? Now see it is given, if the cost of painting the four walls at the rate of rupees 10 per meter square is rupees this, so we can calculate area of the four walls of the hall, which is 15,000 divided by 10. See, in the previous question, how did we calculate the cost, students, of total cost? We were first calculating surface area and multiplying. Okay, we were first calculating the surface area and multiplying by cost. But see here it is already given, if the cost of painting the four walls at rupees 10 per meter square is this much. So how much area is there? So 15,000 divided by 10. So we are getting 1500 meters square. Okay, so area of the four walls is this formula. From here you will get twice h, L plus B is equal to 1500. Alright, so you can substitute the values. See here, twice length plus breadth. Twice length plus breadth is 250. So twice length plus breadth is 250. What is left? H. So h writing as it is, h. So h into 250 is equal to 1500. So what is the value of h? 1500 divided by 250, which is equal to 6. See, I have written here also, because twice length plus breadth is equal to 250. Okay, so this 0 and this 0 cancelled. Okay, 5 5 is 25. If you want to do 5 5 is 25, 5 3 is 15, 5 0 is 0, 5 1 is 5, 6 is. So height is 6 meter. Hence the height of the hall is 6 meter. Students, if you find this that you are getting confused, so what you can do, you can write the values here separately, then solve. But it will take your time. Okay, it is more time consuming. As I'm telling you, student, increase your IQ, okay, and try to solve like this, so that you can save your time, and during competitive exam this will always help you. Alright, so do calculations in this manner so that you can save time. See, first you will substitute here L plus B and then calculate the value, then substitute back again, then solve H. So it is better that write here twice length plus breadth values 250. So you can directly write here 250 and then divide and solve. Okay, students, so I can solve all the questions. I have no problem in solving all the questions. The only thing is, students, then how will you learn maths? So for your assignment, for your homework is next 3-4 questions you should try and complete. Okay, then we will start, or we will see which other question has to be solved. And if you find that this question has to be solved, you can WhatsApp me, you can tell me your problems, and I will solve that question also. Okay, but you must repeat these 3 questions, okay, and try and complete next 3-4 questions. Okay, students, I hope you all have followed, no doubt. Alright, so in this way you can complete. So study well, students, okay, and be disciplined, students. Okay, so you can complete, you can start with the exercise and you can complete these questions.